Hi everyone, this is Merle Strom. This is a high-performance 40 volts max hard surface cordless sweeper that easily converts into a vacuum. Straight out of the box, this requires minor assembly just to connect the 2 pieces of sweeper tubes and the 3 pieces of vacuum tubes, which are necessary when converting the functionality from the sweeper to the vacuum mode or the other way around. All you need to do is align the notches and push in to connect. The sweeper tubes in 2 pieces. Align the square notch on the left tube to the square hole on the right tube until they click and lock into place. The vacuum tubes in 3 pieces. Align the notches and the triangle holes on the upper and lower tubes. Push the lower tube firmly into the upper tube until the triangles click into place. Since I didn't demonstrate the vacuum mode assembly the first time I reviewed this cordless sweeper in 2017 due to the battery issue, I am going to show you how it is done in 2024 after 6 years and 10 months of use. Laid on the table are the components that came with this model that includes the power head, the sweeper tube, the vacuum tube, the collection bag, the 40 volts battery, and the charger. Using this for this long helped me better understand this tool and the battery and charger that came with it. To remove the fan cover, press the spring-loaded release button and pull the cover off. To attach the vacuum tube to the fan inlet, line up the tabs on the tube with the slots on the sweeper housing. Push inward until it locks in place and the release button is fully engaged. The tube is quite heavy to hold with one hand. I had to improvise by pressing the top of the tube to engage the release button. Push the collection bag on the sweeper housing until the lock lever engages the lock hole. Attach the collection bag clip to the lower rear of the unit. When not in use, the fan cover can be stored in the pouch on the collection bag. When not in use, the vacuum tube assembly can be stored by hanging on a wall with a nail, using the built-in hang hole on the underside of the tube. Connecting and disconnecting the necessary components to switch from one mode to the other is the same procedure. Just remember to remove the battery before switching and disconnecting any components. To disconnect the collection bag, press the lock lever to disengage the lock hole so you can pull the bag out easily. To attach the sweeper tube and use the sweeper mode, push the sweeper tube into the sweeper housing until the lock lever engages the lock hole in the tube. For safety, the sweeper tube and the vacuum tube should not be separated once they are assembled. If you are not sure of what to do, Please refer to the manual that came with this product. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.